here to the left, left side of the screen. Here we go with the takedown. And now the one in the red has won. And there he goes over to do his eagle dance around the stupa. And he will go on to the next round of wrestling. And the one he defeated is finished. And the wrestling garment has a very interesting history. Apparently, some long time ago, there was a woman who participated in wrestling and in a disguise, and was a victor. She beat everyone, and when it was found out that she was a woman and she had wrestled, the officials of the sport decided that under no circumstances would there be women wrestling again, and so they gave the men these funny sleeve things, which would show very obviously that a woman was wrestling. Here in the center of the screen, you may notice a very, very large man wrestling with a very, very thin man. And here's an example of of the fact that there are no weight classes. You basically wrestle against the person that you're given, and sometimes the little guy wins and sometimes the big guy wins. It all depends.